paper lovers, it's Sarah, and today the Scrappy Moms have released two brand new stamp sets. One is a Valentine's set, and the other one is this super adorable thumbprint stamp set, and it's called Two Thumbs Up. This is what I'm going to be using today. And as you can see, there's stamps that have thumbprints, and you can use those thumbprints to make them into a bunny, or a little birdie, or there's a snail, or a little deer, and there's really cute sentiments to go along with those animals. I am going to be making some birthday birdies, and I'm going to be using the Happy Birthday sentiment. So let's go ahead and get started. I am starting with one of the pre-made cards from Michaels, and this size is 4 by 5.5. And I'm going to try to find the middle of my card. I'm stamping directly onto my card. This is a really simple card, really easy if you need a birthday card in a jam. You could, jazz it up with pattern papers or more cardstock and add layers, but I'm just stamping directly onto my card. I'm using quite a bit of different inks. I'm going to start with Jenny Boland Lemon Drops, and I've got my thumbprint on my block, so I'm going to go ahead and ink this up. And we're going to put this right here. I'm trying to get in the center, but if it's not a big deal. Quickly clean off my stamp a little bit, and then we're going to move on to Jenny Boland Stick Candy. This is a really pretty green color. I'm going to go ahead and ink that up. Fun spring colors in this card today, and the little green birdie's going to go right about there. Clean off my stamp. Next I'm going to be using, oops, did it move? This is Tim Holtz Victorian Velvet, and this has got a nice purple color to it. Okay, and then we are going to use Memento Rosebud. And the last little birdie, get these inks out of my way, is Jenny Boland's Speckled Egg. I love this color. It's a really pretty blue. Oops. Alright, so there's our little bird. Oh shoot, bodies. Okay, now what we're going to do, I'm going to take my thumbprint stamp off, and we're going to turn them into little birdies. This part is so much fun. So I'm going to start with their feet. And I'm using Jenny Boland Brown Sugar ink. And I'm just going to go ahead and stamp the little feet on the birdies. Okay, there's their little feet. And then I am going to do their little face. Same ink. How cute would these be at Easter time? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, they're really coming to life now. Okay, and then just to give them a little personality, I'm going to add a little white dot to their eyes with my gel pen. Okay, now I have cut from the Creator Critter cartridge some balloons, and I cut them at 2 inches, and I cut them in the same color that the birdies are in. And what I did was, oops, hold on, I trimmed off the little string because I'm going to be using some twine. And I'm using baker's twine that can be purchased on the Scrappy Moms blog. What I'm going to do is I'm using the same color twine, and this yellow is called Buttercream. And I'm just going to lay this on the back of my balloon, and then I'm just going to pop it up with a foam square. And then I'm just going to stick it above the birdie. And then I am going to, I'm going to turn this off, it's a little bit long. Take some Scotch Quick Dry Adhesive and just put a little dot of adhesive, and then just stick that. Sometimes I use my paper piercer to press it down. So it looks like the birdie is holding the balloon. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do that to all my birdies and then come back. Okay, so I've got all my balloons on and with the twine. I just wanted to give you the colors really quick. This blue color is called Caribbean. The pink colored twine is called Pink Sorbet. The yellow is Buttercream, the green is Honeydew, and the purple is Lilac. So now what I'm going to do is go ahead and add some stickles to my balloons, but I just wanted to show you the inside of the card. I stamped that Happy Birthday, and then I just made a little yellow bird. There's a tinier thumbprint on the stamp set right there, so I just made a little yellow bird for the inside of the card. I am going to use Stardust stickles on my balloons, so I'll go ahead and do one and then I'll do the rest, and you can see the picture at the end of the video. So when I do a large area with the stickles, I kind of go around the edge first, and I don't squeeze a whole lot out, just a little bit, and then I kind of just push it around as I lightly squeeze some more out. Okay, simple. So there's one. I'll go ahead and do the other ones, and then you can see the picture at the end of the video, but you can see how it adds all that sparkle. I love the Stardust stickles. Okay, I'll put a link down at the bottom to the Scrappy Moms blog so you can check out all their fabulous products. Thanks everybody for watching, and have a blessed day. I'm back real quick because I forgot that I wanted to add a little twine bow to the middle birdie's head, because I thought, oh, she's probably the birthday girl. So I've tied a little twine bow out of some Blossom baker's twine, adding a little bit of Scotch Quick Dry Adhesive, and I'm just adding the little bow to the top of her head. So there, I think that just adds so much. And when I first wanted to do this card, I wanted to add bows to all their heads, but it just became too much. So I think just on her head is really cute because it makes her stand out and makes her special. Okay, now I'm done. Thanks everybody for watching, and have a blessed day.